Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into one of the best under-sink mats on the market, the Gorilla Grip Non-Adhesive Under-Sink Mat. Whether you're looking to protect your kitchen cabinets, bathroom sinks, or any other surface prone to spills, this product promises to deliver. Let's explore why it might be the perfect solution for you. The Gorilla Grip Under-Sink Mat is designed with a dual-layer construction. It features an ultra-thick and absorbent felt fabric on the top side, paired with a 100% waterproof bottom layer. This combination ensures that any liquids, whether it's a leaky faucet, spilled soap, or cleaning solutions, are quickly absorbed and prevented from seeping through to your cabinets or floors. The mat's absorbent felt quickly soaks up liquids, while the waterproof backing provides a strong barrier against leaks. It's designed to withstand daily use and can be used under sinks, in laundry rooms, or even in kitchen drawers. Unlike adhesive liners, it stays in place with a slip-resistant backing and is easy to clean. Just toss it in the washing machine when needed. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your cabinets and floors are shielded from spills and leaks. The mat can be trimmed to fit your specific cabinet dimensions, making installation a breeze. Long-lasting and reusable, it's durable enough to be reused multiple times, making it a cost-effective solution in the long run. Gorilla Grip is known for its quality household products, and this under-sink mat is no exception. With thousands of positive ratings, it's clear that customers trust Gorilla Grip for their home protection needs. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or bathroom protection, the Gorilla Grip Non-Adhesive Under-Sink Mat offers durability, functionality, and peace of mind. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or preparing for unexpected leaks, this mat has you covered. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and home improvement tips. Have you tried the Gorilla Grip Under-Sink Mat? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.